Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to see another hands-on in the Apache NiFi. So basically what we are going to do is in the last video lecture, we saw how to create a data pipeline which can take the data from one location to another location from the particular directory to another directory. We moved actually CSV file. Okay, we don't do any transformation. So in this hands-on tutorial, what we'll do is we'll do some transformation. So basically what I'm going to take input as a JSON file. So there's a JSON file structure looks like this. So example, your user information like customer ID, customer information, you can think of it. So customer ID, first name, last name, email address, and city. Okay. So I want to. This is the input data which is there as a JSON file. We take this input and we'll add a country to this field. So I will try to add a country to this field as a default value. So I think of this, or we are handling India customers data. So we'll add a country as India to this JSON structure. Okay. So how do you do this? Basically, in NiFi. So let me open the NiFi URL. So take this NiFi URL. Okay. Open this. Open a NiFi URL. So in the NiFi, we have a processor called Jolt. Okay. So if you drag and drop here and go to this type of Jolt. So Jolt transformation JSON. So basically, what transform JSON. So what it does is basically, if you want to parse and the JSON file and do some kind of transformation, do processing, then we need to write a custom logic, right? So the NiFi community has given this Jolt transform. Using this, you can actually pass the JSON and you can modify the JSON which is coming as a input file. So what we'll do is, so as I told you, this is the simple JSON structure, and we'll have country to this. So how do you modify it? So actually JSON, this Jolt team who developed this processor, they given the documentation. How do you do the specification? So basically, you need to provide a specification. Based on the specification, it will actually do the modification. Okay, so these are the supported specification, right? Shift default. So if you want to have default value to your JSON structure, so you can use a default. So they use that specification what you provide in this file, so it will work. Okay, so I will show you the sample. Okay, so if you want to get more idea, you can just go and go through this documentation. It gives more information about it. Okay, so and also I have one more link. I will give you that. So basically, this is the simple default value you can provide. Say example, you in the JSON structure. This is operation, right? This is the specification you need to provide. The operation is the default value as setting. Specification is we are introducing the field called country and value as IN. IN is for India. Okay, so let's do this. So how do you do this? Basically, first of all, we'll just read the JSON file, which will be available here. So let me create that JSON file here using VA editor. I'll put what will I put? Okay, same thing. I'll put same file name. I'll put. So d underscore dummy customer, I'll say d underscore customer one dot JSON. Okay, so write that content, copy this and paste it here. This does not have any country field into, we are going to add it. So save it. So let's verify the file is available in the source location. Yes. So in the NiFi work area source JSON location, we placed the file. The target location, we don't have anything. The current location is my target location, right? So what we are going to do is, and you also do the cat and just verify that. So we don't have a country field here. So what we'll do is, we'll just go and add the processor for put get file. Add it here. Go to get file. Okay, and then this is the transform we want to do, and also we'll add one more processor, put file. Okay, so put file here. Yes, yeah. I'll just you can rearrange whatever format you want. So then we'll just try to connect here. We'll add here. We'll go to configure our input path. So input path is this. This is the source input path. We'll just provide that. Okay, done. And from transform to put file. So here target will add a target here. So here you can have. Okay, so let's do this a target, right? So let's add a target here. This is our current location of. Okay, so I add a target. Now only thing pending is a jolt transform. Go here. So there are many things here, like shift, chain, other string. Okay, so you can just say right now we'll put a chain. Okay, so we can have chain means you can have multiple operation inside the specification. So then specify the specification, jolt specification. Okay, so what I'm going to specify the jolt is specification is this one. Okay, so we are going to introduce the new field to the JSON structure. Okay, so specify, apply. Okay, now we'll try to run it. Okay, so go and start it. Go and start it. Go and start it. It says invalid. Settings. Apply. Start it. Okay, so it is in this queue. Here. Here view list queue. I think now it has moved from here. Okay, so now let's go and check it is there in the target. Yes, it is there. D underscore. See here. So it has added this new field to this JSON. So you can do a lot of customization on your JSON structure using this jolt transform. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you. So basically we taken a simple JSON file and we did a transformation. So we basically modify the structure of input file and we saved into the target, so which is also another target location, right? So basically what you can do is you can go to this format. Okay, multiple components are selected, so let's save this as create template. We'll save this as JSON transform. Okay, JSON transformation for future reference. Okay, I'll say JSON transform using jolt, JOLT. Okay, I hope you followed this video. I think it is helpful for you. So what we can do is basically one more thing I want to say you that there's a application, right? So there's an application where you can actually understand how the jolt specification works. So see here, this is the JSON structure. How do you transform into this structure using this specification? So you can understand a lot of things. So a lot of examples available in this section. You can follow it up, right? So I will provide all this link in the resources section. Take this information and try it yourself and post your queries on the Q&A section of this course. Thank you so much, friends. See you in the next video.